Are you a fan of a small YouTuber, but you don't know how to help them, how to support them without lending them money of some kind? Now, you don't have to open your wallet to feel like you are helping them. You don't have to be a member on Patreon. You don't have to click that join button. You don't have to donate in Super Chat. Here are 5 ways that you can help any small YouTuber. That's what we talk about today. Here we go. Hello and welcome back to another video. If you're new around here and you're looking to start a YouTube channel, grow your YouTube channel, or push your brand out there onto the second largest search engine on the internet, click subscribe, start creating. Now, being a small YouTuber can be a very, very hard slog. You build up a small community. It could be 5, 10, 100, 200, 1,000 people that constantly come back to your videos. They constantly interact, they comment, they like, they subscribe, right? But at that kind of size, that they might not be willing to open their wallet and to help you. Or you're a viewer and you really want to help this guy or girl, and you really want to help them succeed, but you don't have the money to donate on Patreon, or click that join button down below, or donate via a super chat, or send them some kind of package in the post. Don't worry, you can help your favorite YouTuber by simply doing one of these 5 things. 1. Share their content. There is nothing more powerful than some other people sharing my stuff. You can post it on your Facebook wall, you can share it to your Twitter account, you can click retweet, you can pin it on Pinterest, you can share it on Reddit. Anywhere that you share it out inside your bubble of influence means that people that like you might like what you are sharing, which is hopefully me. That then hopefully opens the door that they'll subscribe to me and maybe share me somewhere down the line. The more you share, the more it amplifies what I share, and the more links that are out there, the more YouTube sees that it's being shared more often and might rank it a little bit higher. 2, possibly one of the best ones, in my honest opinion, is commenting and replying. In fact, engaging in any way helps, so make sure that you are liking and make sure that you are sharing. But if you're commenting in the comment section down below, and you engage in a communication and a conversation, and not just good video, but good video, maybe tweak this, and I go, thank you very much, and then we just build a conversation. Maybe there's 4 or 5 or 10 replies. That's much more beneficial for the video than just a like and then leaving. Any form of constant engagement will help a small YouTuber grow, because it shows to YouTube that that one video may have got 50 views, but it got 25, 30 comments, which means it was clearly very engaging for the small audience that it received, and it will rank it a little bit better, or it will give that channel a little boost maybe next time it publishes a video. 3, subscribe. Now, I know that seems weird that it's the 3rd one down on the list, but subscribing isn't as important as you think it may be, right? At the end of the day, subscribers are good and subscribers are good numbers, but at the end of the day, it's just a vanity number nowadays. But if you subscribe and hit that notification icon, you know, that little bell, and then you click always, then you'll always see my videos when they go live. Same with any other channel. And then if you respond quickly, then it shows YouTube that you're engaging enough to jump people onto the platform, make them react, make them want to see something immediately, which is a positive sign for YouTube of engagement. 4, add them to playlists. Now, any YouTube accounts and any YouTube channel has the ability to make playlists. Now, this could be a selection of all of your favorite YouTubers. This could be a selection of all of my favorite videos. At the end of the day, if you add me to a playlist, it shows YouTube once again that it's worthy of being interacted with. It's more engagement. Plus, if there's a specific group of videos that you want to share to a friend, you go, here you go, Jimmy, this is how you live stream, this is how you set up your channel, and this is how you sort out your optimization and your tags. You can put all 3 videos in a playlist and send it to Jimmy. Which leads to number 5, recommend to friends. There is nothing more powerful in the business world and any other social media world than a referral. Why is that? Well, a referral means that I've looked at this, I like this, and I honestly believe this will improve Simon's life, or Jimmy's life, or Fiona's life. So here you go. This is something I specifically curated and looked at and thought of you about. So when it arrives at the other end, thank you. You know, you thought about me. Oh, you are right. You know what? You suggested it to me, which means there must be some weight behind it. I'll give it a look. Maybe a subscribe. And maybe next time they're one of the people that are following one of the 5 tips that I have named today. Now, I'm quite curious. How do you help small YouTubers? What do you do to push creators out there that you really like? Do you like, do you comment, do you subscribe, do you share them with friends? Or do you have another method? Do you post them on Reddit? Do you pin them on Pinterest? That kind of thing. Please leave a comment down below. Maybe you're a small YouTuber yourself and you need some help. There is a playlist up here for you. Go through those that will optimize your channel and make things better for you. But those are 5 ways in which you can help any small YouTuber grow. For more YouTube tricks and tips, click that subscribe button, hit that notification icon so you're alerted every time I post a video. Go out there, start creating.